morning Year 1 and welcome to your first week back of learning. I hope you've had a lovely half term. I hope you're all rested and we're ready to start again. Now, I didn't do maths before half term, but this half term you're going to be seeing me for maths. So I'm really excited because I saw all of your fantastic work before half term. So I'm really excited to be doing that with you. You will all have a new blue booklet. Okay, so we are going to be working from this blue booklet, but I will be setting you extra challenges. So make sure you're watching the videos to see what extensions I might give you. Okay, so I would like you to turn to page 6 and 7 today in your booklet. I'll show you on the board in a minute. We'll have a little look at that page, but turn to page 6 and 7 and let's have a watch and see what we're going to do. So, we are going to be talking about today writing numbers as words. I know that sounds a bit confusing, doesn't it? Because we're not in literacy, but it's really important that we know how to read the number as a word. Okay, so I've got a little rap for you that I found. You can put these into YouTube yourself and it will help you find them. It might be a little bit more fun than just writing the word. So here's my first little rap that shows you numbers 1 to 10.
All you need to launch a celebrated art career,
Skip past this advert.
a cheap studio, a happy career.
Off we go.
Yo. What of counters have you heard? You can spell your number word. Every number from 1 to 10. Practice them again and again.
Let's have a look. 1
N-E 1 T-W-O 2 T-H-R-E-E
3
F-O-U-R 4 F-I-V-E 5 S-I-X 6 S-E-V-E-N
7
E-I-G-H-T
8
N-I-N-E
9
T-E-N
10. Hey!
What's up?
Those are your numbers from 1 to 10 in a little rap for you, okay? So you could find that on YouTube. You can have a little go and you can sing along with the numbers 1 to 10, okay? And it will help you to write the words. The booklet that you've got has also got the words in to help you out, and it gives you a clue because it shows you how many apples there are, so you can count the apples to see the right number. So we're going to have a go at doing a couple first together, okay? So what is my number here? It's the number 1, okay? And if I was to show you number 1 with objects, we would do 1 object, okay? So 1 button, 1 circle, whatever shape you might want to do. Okay, now I'm going to write the number 1. The number 1 starts, I'm going to start with a capital. O, N, E. There's our number 1. O-N-E. That's 1, okay? Number 2. If I was to draw 2, I might draw 2 circles. Okay, and to write the word 2 as a word, it goes T-W-O. That's 2, okay? Capital letter T, W, O. T, W, O. T, W, O. 2. Okay? We're going to go all the way to 5 together. 3. Now let's use our phonics for this one. E. 3. So if you see that word, you can use your phonics to help you. Okay, so I'm going to draw my 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. I'm even going to write my number 3 in my magic star. I didn't do it on my others, did I? Shall I go back and put my numbers in my magic star? I missed them off, didn't I? My magic star number 1. My magic star number 2. And my magic star now, number 3 with 3 zeros, okay? 3 buttons, whatever you want to draw, 3. Let's write the word 3. Going to do a capital letter. E. 3. The number 3. E. That's 3. Now, number 4. Number 4. We go down across and cut in half. I am number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's spelt F-O-O-R. Capital letter F. O-U-R. F-O-U-R. That's 4. Okay? Number 4. We're going to do one more together. What's next? Number 5. Number 5. Let's draw it together. Neck and tummy, put on a hat. Number 5. Let's draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to write the word 5 together. Capital letter F. Now it's got a split digraph in the middle. Split digraph here. So you can see your sound I. Split I. I-v. I've. So you can use your phonics to help you. I've. 5. I am number 5. Okay? So, those are the ones that we're going to do together. I'm going to show you another little video that you can watch yourselves. Okay? To help you with some bigger numbers. So if you can type into YouTube numbers as words. Okay, and this one here will show you all of the numbers to 20 as words, okay? So, I'm going to skip all the way to the big numbers here.
We count all the way from the beginning.
We're going to go on the washing line and it's going to show you 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, count with me, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, keep going, next washing line, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, what comes last? 20. So there is your words for 11 to 20. Now, I think some of you might be able to go even further than that, okay? So we're going to have a little look in your booklet first at the numbers 1 to 20, and then I've got an extension for some of you because I know that you know numbers to 100. Okay, let's have a look at your booklet. So finding pages 6 and 7. Okay, now your number 6 page here, this is to help you. This here is to help you work out your questions on the next page, okay? So if you're not sure how to write the number 1, look for 1 apple. And it shows you there the number 1 and it shows you how to write it as a word. And you can see they've put a capital letter. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you're looking for the number 10 as words, think about how you might sound it out. 10. Or find the number, check if there are 10 apples, and there is the number at the bottom. Okay, once you've done all of those ones, we've got some more apples on the tree with all of the words to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I don't think we could fit that many apples on the tree, could we? Okay, so they've just got the word and the number on each apple. So then, your activity is to complete this page here. So you've got to read the words 6 and find the matching number. Okay? And when we get to this one here, if you're not sure what it says, try and sound it out or find the number on the apple and see what number it says. Okay, so you're going to be able to be doing that really easily, and I think you will do an absolutely fantastic job of that. Okay, so if you complete that and you really want to challenge yourself, here's my challenge for you. Okay, let's find your challenge now. I've got some words on my board that have got some missing letters. So you'll need to pause the video, try and read the word, sound it out, or see if you know what word it is, and I want you to fill in the missing letters for me. Okay, I'll give you a clue. I think they might be counting in tens. So there's a really big clue for you there. So pause the video and have a go at that as your extension. I'll do one with you, okay? Let's sound it out. 20. 20. Started it off for you there, and it finishes with a y. 20. Okay, so have a go and see if you can fill in the missing letters there. Remember, they're not counting in tens. Top clue there. And if you finish that one as well, I've got one more challenge for you. Now this is really, really tricky, so don't worry if you find this too hard, but if you can have a go, that would be fantastic. Okay, here is some really big words with some missing letters. Okay, so I know that this says 20 and this looks like O-N-E. That's one. So I think it's 21. And I am missing the letter E. Oh dear. There we go. The letter E. So I know my first one is 21. So pause the video, see if you can fill in those missing numbers. But like I say, do not worry if this is too tricky for you. Just do the booklet and maybe my first challenge. But I would love to see some of these come through on the pictures. Okay, so take a picture of your work, send it into our email address, and I cannot wait to see your first day of work coming into our lovely school. Okay, so well done, and I will see you tomorrow.